Bulletproof Traders in the house, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Crypto market trade of the day. That is the video you're watching here right now. I want to talk about the CHAINLINK. There's a lot going on right now in the market. Volatility is off the chart. Having said that, I think we kind of dissected the market. And I think we're gonna be reading it in the right way, properly. So let's go right ahead and dive in. We've been bullish for a while. We hit targets pretty much all over wherever we had positions in, closed out our bullish campaigns and flipped over. Now we're short the market, guys. Let me show you why through the eyes of the CHAINLINK. By the way, we do have a short position here. We fired off twice today. Take a look. These are the two trades you already fired off. Once price action starts to break a local trigger here, 1647, we'll load up a little bit more. We're trying to hunt 16. That's right around the corner, right? But that's because we're right now focusing on the short-term, very short-term cycle. I feel like the medium-term cycle is also could be bearish. So if price action starts to break below 16 here, and then 1550, and then 15, right? The path is gonna be cleared. It's gonna be open all the way to 1281. So that's gonna be the medium-term target on the downside. Let me show you the big picture. And I've written an article, a forecast, bearish forecast on the CHAINLINK. On fxleaders.com. If you haven't checked it out, you can also see it on the homepage on Bulletproof Traders. And I was talking about that 1695 level, massive resistance that got kicked into action last week and this week, right? This week it looked like it was starting to break out. But take a look, huge U-turn right now as we speak. Lovely spike there, slicing that 1695. And this is why I'm talking about a potentially full-fledged downside reversal with medium-term implications, right? Like I said, all the way down to 1281. You can see why right here. But again, like I said, also an obstacle at 15. 15 could also be not just an obstacle, but a target on its own. So we'll definitely implement 15 as a secondary target, 1281 as a final destination primary target. But like I said, for now we're focused on the short-term cycle. So back to the daily chart here, guys. This is the range. The purple system is right now the short-term system that's leading our decision-making process. Let's put it this way. We have a stop-loss level at 1805. And it's going to be applicable for both cycles, so for both moves, the 16 and later down the road to 1281. Probably going to stay there because, as you can see, it's slightly just a tag above today's highest high. All right, guys. So yeah, interesting stuff, no doubt. We will come back to this follow-up. Keep you posted. In the meantime, we're going to move on, and we're going to see you in the next video. Take care.